Hello, this is Rikka, an electric workshop and electric sequence learning guide. Configure the Arduino PLC and check whether the time chart works in real time. Today's lesson is to understand the easy PLC-related time chart configuration and requirements, and check the operation. Take a look at the time chart configuration given on the screen. Now, confirm the contents requested by the time chart. First, it should operate when SSA on and SSB off. Second, when there is no selector switch SSC input. It starts pattern operation according to the push button input. When there is a push button PBA input, the light turns on and off repeatedly from lamp PLA to PLE at 1-second intervals. Afterwards, when there is a push button PBB input, the lamp that is lit is turned off immediately and the lamp is repeatedly turned on and off every 2 seconds. After the same, according to the push button PBC input, the lamp turns on and off at intervals of 3 seconds. Pattern operation is stopped when the selector switch SSC input is present. Third, when there is a selector switch SSC input, it starts the pattern B operation according to the push button input. Like the pattern operation, when there is a push button PBA input, the lamps PLE to PLA are turned on and off repeatedly at 1-second intervals. Afterwards, when there is a push button PBB input, the lamp that is lit is turned off immediately and the lamp is repeatedly turned on and off every 2 seconds. After the same, according to the push button PBC input, the lamp turns on and off at intervals of 3 seconds. Pattern B operation is stopped if there is no selector switch SSC input. This will be an example of a time chart that is divided into patterns A and B operations according to the selector switch SSC input state. Now, let's see if it works like the time chart shown on the screen by connecting the Arduino PLC. If you understand the time chart, you can easily understand the operation configuration of each lamp. Start the motion test. World of Rikka. Thanks for watching. Please refer to learning. Subscribe check.